And in this video, I will tell you how to remove background from image in Canva. So we see this image. We want to remove this yellow background. Select the yellow background and press the delete button. It removed. When you download it, click on share. Then click on download. Then click on the transparent background. Because I have not premium account, that's why I can't it. If you have premium account, then click on the transparent background and you will get this file as an transparent. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.